Welcome to English language learning class. Are you ready to learn English language?
Sir.
Okay, so today what is the topic we are going to discuss? Do you know?
No, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss the topic day to day English. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to practice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to ask the questions one by one. The first question is you are all school students, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so regarding school, I'm going to ask you questions. The first question is do you go to school?
Yes.
Yeah, you can say yes.
I go to school.
Yes, I go to school. Okay, so I ask you this question. Do you go to school? Okay, I ask this question. Do you know what type of question is this?
Simple present tense.
Simple present
Present
tense.
tense.
Okay, then what's your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your answer? Yes, sir. Okay, just you say yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay, but don't say yes, sir, no, sir, like that. Just what my question you must understand and try to give at least one or two sentences because that will give you confidence. If you say yes or no, that will not give you confidence. Understand? My question is what type of question is this? This is my question. And the type of this question is yes or no type of question. Do you know what is yes or no type of question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you say one example?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, what is the example?
Yes, I go to school. I go to school.
Yeah. I ask you to make a question. My question is please make a question of yes or no type question. Yeah, the same
Sir,
question.
do you go to college?
Do you go to college? Okay, so this is what we have to frame the questions for yes or no type of question. And this is simple present tense. See that all tenses have yes or no type of question. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So first question I asked you, and the second question, Hafiz, are you ready? Say loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Do you meet your friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
I meet my
I need my
friends.
friends.
Okay, very good, super. Yes, I meet my friends. Normally we can say yes, I do. Yes, I do is enough. But for the improvement of, for the development of our English, we can say yes, I meet my friends. So two questions I asked. What are the questions? Do you,
Do you go to school? Do you meet your friends?
friends? Okay, very good. Now Sitik, you ask questions to Dagasin. The same question. Do you go to school? Please ask the questions to
Do you
Dagasin.
go to school? Yes, I go to school.
Very good. Now you ask the questions to Sitik.
Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school.
Very good. Wonderful. And now next question is do you meet your friends? Now Abdullah, please ask questions to Azir.
Do you meet your friends? Yes, I meet you, my friends.
Yes, I meet my friends. Very good. Now you ask questions to Abdullah.
Do you meet your friends? Yes, I meet my friends.
Okay, are you nervous?
No, sir. No,
Are you afraid? Okay, take relax. Okay, so it's also just language. Okay, understand? Okay, and next question is do you attend the class or classes? Do you attend the class or classes? Okay, yes, both singular and noun you can use. Okay, but I can say do you attend the class? Okay, so of noun. Do you attend the class?
Yes, sir, I attend the class.
Yes, I attend the class. Okay, please ask these questions to okay.
Do you attend the class? Yes.
I
I
attend the class. So please speak loudly. Okay, please you ask the questions to Afnan now. Do you
Do you
attend the class?
attend the class? I attend the class.
Yes, I attend the class. Okay, very good. So this is what I think six people completed the training now. The practice now. I'm sorry, this is a training program, but I'm giving you practice. Okay, six people completed, and who are all not completing your practice right now? Please raise your hand. I think yes, Sitik and yes, Rigon. Then yes, then Imtiaz. Then yes. Kamtan. Okay, very good. Then Ishwaran. Okay, I'm going to ask you. Okay, so questions. Next question is going to, yes, Abu Bakr Siddiq. What do you like in your class? Okay, so this is a WH question. Okay, so far we have discussed yes or no type question. We have discussed how many questions? How many questions we have discussed? Three questions we have discussed. Okay, very good. And we exchanged the questions with each other. Okay, so now this question is what would you like or would you like in your classroom? Please tell.
I like my friends in my class.
Speak loudly.
I like my friends in my classroom.
Okay, very good. I like my friends in my classroom. This is the answer from Abu Bakr Siddiq. Okay, very good. Why do you like your friends? What's the reason?
They are friendly to me, so I like them.
Oh, they are friendly to you, so you like your friends. What about the teacher? Don't you like the teachers?
There's some teachers I like, but some teachers I don't like.
Some teachers you like, but some teachers you don't like. Why you don't like that particular some teachers?
I don't like teachers because they did not. They are speaking very harshly to me, so I can't like them.
Oh, you don't like some teachers because, okay, they are speaking. I think their words are not comfortable to you.
Yes, sir.
You don't like their words. They are using harsh words.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, what can I say? I don't know about it. Okay, but anyway, so yes, as a teacher, I'm struggling. Okay, to give the words of this question, but everything will be fine. Okay, so in the name of God, everything will be fine. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, very good. And next, you ask these questions to, yes, whom do you select? To whom you want to ask this question? Please select
Umar Abdullah.
Umar Abdullah. Okay, please see Umar Abdullah and ask the same question.
What do you like in your class?
Are very friendly, and I
Very good. So this is the still they have you worry about it to you. Okay, sorry. What method? Just we get together here and just we discuss, we practice. Yes, one particular topic regarding the language English. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have not practiced, don't worry about it. I will continue the session to the okay. So I will continue to the next session. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, that's the thing. Yes. And do you want to ask me any more question? So this is the yes. We will come to the final part. And do you want to ask me? Would you like to ask me any question? Yeah. Yes. What's your question? From Abu Bakr Siddiq. Okay. Very good. What's your question?
Do you going to college?
Do you going to college? This question is right or wrong?
Right.
Oh, okay. For spoken English, this is okay. Do you going to college? You can understand. The communication is okay. But do you go to college is the right form. Okay. Going should not add ing because the sentence starts with questions do form question. So we have to use only present verb. So this is a grammar. A little grammar you must know. Okay. So to frame a sentence to give the answers for that. Do you go to college? Yeah. Yes. I go to college. Otherwise, yeah, I do. Okay. So any other question
Yes, sir.
from anyone? Yes. What's the question?
Are you happy to teach us?
Are you happy being a teacher, or are you happy to teach?
Us.
Yes. Which one is correct? Are you happy being a teacher? Are you happy being a teacher? Okay. So this is the right question. Oh, you are yes. When I ask you questions, you are blinking or you have some nervousness. The face is the depths of mind. I can see something on your face. Okay, so be relaxed. Okay, because I am also just a human being like you. Okay, that's the thing. Be relaxed yourself. Okay, so I'm very happy being a teacher. Yes, I like teaching. If I talk about teaching profession, it will take hours and hours. Okay, but you know that teachers or makers, teachers or creators. Teacher can create the world, whereas Students can create everything. Okay? Yes, yes, you have got my answer. Okay? Yes, that's the thing. And any other question? Any other question from Abdullah Dagasin? Yes, then? No questions. Okay, but you have to ask some questions. Okay, I think so. This session will be a great session. Okay, so I'm very happy to meet you, being with you. I'm very happy, and definitely we will have another session very soon. Okay, thank you all, and you please see. Okay, everyone, and say thank you. Please see everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yes.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, we will meet next time. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.